How do you solve this problem? We are given a functional equations f of x plus y over 2 equals f of x plus f of y divided by 2. So this equation looks very familiar, just like the midpoint. And actually, this is a Jenson's midpoint functional equations. But we're interested to find f of x for this. How do you solve it? So we can drop the answer in the comment box and I'll be solving it in the next 5 seconds. So let's get into solving it. We have a solution here. So without guessing the solution, let's see how we can solve it in a robust way. Suppose I let x equals y. That is, anywhere I see x, I see y, I'll be replacing it with x. Then we have f of, so for x plus s here, that is 2x over 2 equals f of x plus f of x over 2. So here is the first step we are going to take. So if 2 cancel 2, we have f of x equals f of x plus f of x. That gives us 2f of x divided by 2. And by cancelling 2, we have f of x equals f of x. But wait, this doesn't make any sense. It doesn't give us the result that we want. So therefore, we forget assuming y to be equals x. So let's do it in this way. Suppose I put y to be equals to 0. Then we are going to have f of x plus 0 divided by 2 equals f of x plus f of 0 divided by 2. And then for this we have f of x over 2 equals, we have f of x plus, but f of y, f of 0 we don't know it, so we have to leave it as f of 0 divided by 2. And at this point, suppose I replace, or I just say let x to be equals to x. Anyway I see x, I'll be replacing it with 2x, as we have f of, this gives us 2x over 2 equals f of 2x plus f of 0 divided by 2. And here we have 2 cancel 2, f of x equals f of 2x plus f of 0, so divided by 2. And then if this is what we have, let's cross multiply. We have 2 multiplied by f of x equals f of 2x plus f of 0. By making f of 2x the subject of the formula, I transfer this f of 0 to this side. Hence, we have f of 2x equals 2f of x minus f of 0. Then I will stop here for now. So the next thing I'm going to do is, let's say I want to define another function different from f. Let's say I define g of x, so equals, let's say we have f of x minus f of 0. We don't know the value of f of 0, so we just say g of x equals this. So therefore, for every f of x here, this equals g of x plus f of 0. Okay, this makes sense. And after getting this, so the next thing we are going to do is, suppose I replace from here, if I let x to be equals to 0, so we know that g of 0 here will be equals 0. So because this is f of 0 minus f of 0, that cancels, and we have g of 0 equals 0. So since g of 0 equals to 0, let's try and recall back from the original functions that is given, and we are going to substitute it back as, well, we want to replace everything as g of 0. We want to prove that since we have f of x plus y over 2 equals f of x plus f of y over 2, we want to prove g of x plus y to be equals g of x plus g of y divided by 2 as well. So this is how we are going to get it. So if you are new here to this channel, please do well to subscribe, share this video, and like. So let's continue. So to do that, we know from f of x plus y over 2, this equals f of x plus f of y divided by 2. So this is what we have. And from here, we know we have this as g of x. This is f of x. So if I replace this x with x plus y, so definitely we are going to have, g of x plus y, that is the left hand side, over 2 equals, so we are going to have this equals, now instead of okay, we have plus f of 0, so which is this, and again, so for every single thing here, so since we have f of x here, so we'll be replacing it by g of x plus f of x. So for y, we have g of y plus f of 0. So this is for the left hand side, and y for the right hand side, we have it as g of x plus f of 0 plus g of 0. Then we have g of y plus we have f of 0, everything divided by, we have this divided by 2. Then I'm getting this, so we have this as g of x plus y over 2 plus f of 0 equals, so from what we have here, this gives us g of x plus g of y. If I divide this one by 2, then plus, f of 0 plus f of 0, that is 2 f of 0 divided by 2, we have it as f of 0. And if f of 0 cancels f of 0, so we see that g of x plus y over 2 equals g of x plus g of y, all divided by 2. So after proving this, so let's try and multiply 2 by 2, which is this. So by multiplying 2 by 2, we are going to have 2g of x plus y over 2 equals g of x plus g of y. And in the next step, we have, suppose I let m to be equals x plus y divided by 2. So here we have 2g of m equals g of x plus g of y. Then with what I get here, this shows that g is additive and is a linear in midpoint. So since we have something like this, we cannot have our g of x to be equals, let's say, ax. So if g of x equals to ax, hence if you try and substitute back into where we let g of x equals f of x minus f of 0. So since g of x equals ax, therefore we have f of x equals ax plus f of 0. So f of 0 here is a constant. So if I let it to be b, we have f of x equals ax plus b. So this is how to solve this problem step by step without missing any lines. So thanks for watching. How do you solve this? Let's hear it in the comment box. See you in the next video. Never stop learning. Bye bye.